So yeah, send in your comments if you want any songs or anything like that. I'll try my best to do those. So this is, suppose, for the purpose of the Trad Academy as well, the Acadamh. And so if you can learn any of these songs that I'm doing, that'll be great. And as I say, I'll be posting up words after the video as well. So keep throwing in your comments there on any songs that you'd like. I'm going to start off here with a very an easy little song that it was probably the first song I ever learned. So yeah, it's a song about a hare. So it's called On Yonder Hill. On yonder hill there sits a hare, full of worry, grief and care, and o'er her lodgings it was bare, singing ho, brave boys, hi-ho, and o'er her lodgings it was bare, singing ho, brave boys, hi-ho. Now there came a huntsman passing by, and on this poor hare he cast an eye, and o'er the bogs hallooed his dogs, singing ho, and o'er the bogs hallooed his dogs, singing ho, brave boys, hi-ho. And now she's going from hill to hill, all for the best dog to try his skill, and kill the poor hare that never done ill, singing ho, brave boys, hi-ho, and kill the poor hare that never done ill, singing ho, brave boys, hi-ho. And now she's turned and turned again, merrily as she trips the plain, and may she live to run again, singing ho, brave boys, hi-ho, and may she live to run again, singing ho, brave boys, hi-ho. There we go. That's a song called On Yonder Hill, and if anybody wants that, I'll be throwing the words of that up afterwards on the page here. It's good to see a few comments coming in there. Is that Danny Devlin? I might do Passage West in a wee while, Danny. Yeah, so I hope you're all doing well. Anybody that's just come in there, I'm sitting in Derry Tresk here at the minute, and in the bedroom, and I'm gonna go on now with a song, one of my own songs, and it's I'm sitting in Derry Tresk here, so I'll sing this next one. I think Kira had asked for this song, so I'll do it for her. Yeah, this is called Sweet Loch Ness. Well, the dew it falls as the sun is rising from behind the proud high hill, and the cuckoo calls in the early morning when the waves draw to a still. So carelessly you can oft times ramble through the fields or down the brae, or take a trip where the water glistens down by sweet washing bay. From the banks of black water, there your sights lie on display. No peninsula or bright blue ocean holds the beauty of sweet Loch Ness. Well, the fishing boats sail from the ferry where the loch and river meet, and in Derry Tresk the trees they whisper as the evening falls to sleep. From the banks of black water, there your sights lie on display. No peninsula or bright blue ocean holds the beauty of sweet Loch Ness. Yeah, I'll do that, Martin. And I'll take my leave, for the sun has fallen down behind the proud high hill, and the cuckoo rests until the morning when there dawns another day. From the banks of black water, there your sights lie on display. No peninsula or bright blue ocean holds the beauty of sweet Loch Ness. No peninsula or bright blue ocean holds the beauty of sweet Loch Ness. There's Keelan Hendren chipping in. Good to see they have Wi-Fi in Derry Tresk now. You wired it in from Mahara. There's a couple of requests in there, I think. Pomeroy. I'll do Pomeroy. Yeah, I'll definitely do Pomeroy at some stage. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Donnie was asking there for Passage West. This is a great John Spillane song. He's a fantastic singer and fantastic songwriter. Yeah. Hopefully you remember the words of this. Martin. Okay, this is Passage West. I met my love in Passage West. The sun was sinking down to rest. The river to the stars confessed 'twas the dark-haired woman I love best. We wandered down by the chapel square, and there was magic in the air, and Mother Nature gently pressed the burning river to her breast. I offered her a golden ring, my hand, my heart, and everything. I offered her a sweet love nest by the flowing banks of Passage West. Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Oh love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? We watched the ferry come and go. We watched the river ebb and flow. The tide breathe in, the tide breathe out. We watched the passage flowers grow. The grass grows green on the other side, and mighty ships sail out the tide to far-flung harbours across the sea, far away from Passage, my love and me. Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Or love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? Oh love, will you go, will you go, will you go? Or love, will you stay, will you stay, will you stay? I met my love in Passage West. The sun was sinking down to rest. The river to the stars confessed 'twas the dark-haired woman I loved best. That's Passage West, or some of it anyway. I think I cut it a bit short there. There's a few more people in. Kieran McKeever, how you doing, Kieran? You behaving? Okay. Yeah, as I say, any of these songs there for anyone that's looking to learn a few more songs, I can put the words of any of these songs up, and I will do after this video is finished. Beyond up to 4:30, Maggie has told me to play a few songs up to about 4:30, so we got a few more squeezed in anyway. Let me think. Yeah, Martin O'Kane asked for Autumn Winds there, so we'll do that. Hello Marty, how you doing? Marty Borey, he's a great singer and guitar player. Okay, this is a song called Autumn Winds. Remembering her golden hair, the autumn winds were rolling in the air. We walked beside the silver stream, I held her gentle hand. Clearly in my memory, we had no cares, for we were young and free, but she was swept away from me, and now I walk alone.
If I could once more take you down by the flowing river, if I could once more hold you, my love. I met her on a Sunday night. I stopped to gaze when she came into sight. She smiled to me and then I knew she had cast a loving spell. And even though the years have passed, my love for her has never ceased to last. And soon I know she'll come and take me in her arms. If I could once more take you down by the flowing river, if I could once more hold you, my love, all the beauty of the forest, it can't compare to you. If I could once more hold you, my remembering her golden hair, the autumn winds were rolling in the air. We walked beside a silver stream. I held her gentle hand.
There we go. That's the autumn winds. A few more people in there. Hello, Fergal Rafferty, Ren McGardy. Hello, Karen. Orla's singing along, that's good. Yeah, a few more. Hello, Anya. Yeah, so this is there's I think there's Lauren O'Neill is going to be doing tomorrow, I think, and there's a few more people, or Damien McKee, I think, as well. So yeah, it's Maggie and Peter O'Doherty have been arranging all of this, and it's I think it's a great thing for people to, at this sort of strange time, just to I've seen so much good music in the last week going live on Facebook, and I think it's a great thing for everybody. Keep the spirits up, and so yeah, I mean, I've been up at up in Derry at the Bulk Festival quite a few times. Fantastic festival for anybody who's never been. It's definitely worth going to. We had a brilliant year this year, and others, is that Yvonne? Dungannon Cultus. Who else is in there? Now, what do I see now? Yeah, I'll maybe do another little simple song for any of the young singers out there. This is a nice easy one for any very young singers out there. It is a bit of a chorus, so this is called Do You Love an Apple?
Do you love an apple? Do you love a pear? Do you love a laddie with curly brown hair? But still, I love him, I can't deny him. I will go with him wherever he Before I got married, I wore a black shawl, but now that I'm married, I wear bugger all. But still, I love him, I can't deny him. I will go with him wherever he goes. He stands at the corner, a fag in his mouth, 2 hands in his pockets, he whistles me out. But still, I love him, I can't deny him. I will go with him wherever he goes. Do you love an apple? Do you love a pear? Do you love a laddie with curly brown hair? But still, I love him, I can't deny him. I will go with him wherever he goes. I will go with him wherever he goes.
There we go, that's a song called Do You Love an Apple? And any of those wee songs that anybody wants the words of, I will throw them in on the page here afterwards. So, getting a good few more people. Hello Joseph, how you doing on the other side of the world? Hope you're safe. There's Brenda. Hello Brenda. Hello Maura. Good to get plenty of people tuning in. What do we like for time? Yeah, we can maybe get another couple in. I think now. Yeah, I'm gonna do. I'll do this song. It has a bit of a chorus in it, so if you pick it up halfway through, don't be afraid to let it rip. This is called The Rambling Irishman.
I am a rambling Irishman, in Ulster I was born in, and many's the happy hour I spent on the banks of sweet Loch. But to live poor I could not endure, as others of my station, and to America I sail away, and left this Irish nation. Right hand in the na, hand in the na, right hand in the wind. The nights before I went away, I spent it with my darling, from 3 o'clock in the afternoon till the break of day next morning. And when that we were going to part, we lay in each other's arms. Well, you may be sure and very sure it wounded both our children's. Right hand in the na, hand in the na, right hand in the and when we arrived at the other side, we were both stout and healthy. We cast our anchor in the bay, going down to Philadelphia. So let every lad with his lass, blue jacket and white trousers, and let every lass live with her lad, blue petticoats and white flounces. Right hand in the na, hand in the na, right hand in the windy, right hand in the na, hand in the na, right hand in the rinaldi, right hand in the na, hand in the na,
song called "The Rambling Irishman." See a couple of people writing grace there. I don't actually do it. I would probably, if I tried to do it, I'd probably murder it. Yeah, there's Maggie up from Anna. Yeah, good from Anna song that. Hello, Bomber. Again, Shirley. Yep. Yeah. Let's see now. Maggie has said that I need to stop here at 4:30, so I'll be able to do one more song. Yeah, this is I think it's a great idea just to keep the live music going on Facebook, and it's as I say, I've seen some fantastic music on Facebook over the last week or so, and yeah, we should definitely keep it going. So fair play to Maggie and Peter and everybody for putting this together. I'll do one more song before we go, and just before I do, just want to say stay safe, and everybody just hope everybody's looking after each other. And yeah, I'll finish off with this song. So a few people have asked for Pomeroy, so I'll do it. It's a long enough song, but yeah, I'll do it to finish off. Thanks everybody for watching, and make sure and tune in tomorrow to tomorrow's house session as well. So thanks very much. This is the Mountains of Pomeroy.
The morn was breaking bright and fair, the lark sang in the sky, when the maid she bound her golden hair with a blithe glance in her eye. For who beyond in the gay green wood was awaiting her with joy? Oh, who but her gallant Renardine on the mountains of Pomeroy? An outlawed man in the land forlorn, he scorned to turn and fly, but he kept the cause of freedom safe on the mountains of Pomeroy. Full oft in the dawning hour, full oft in the twilight brown, he met the maid in the woodland bar, where the stream comes flowing down. For they were faithful and in love, no wars could e'er destroy, no tyrant's chains found Renardine on the mountains of Pomeroy. Dear love, she said, I am so afraid for the foeman's force and you. They've tracked you in the lowland plains and all the valleys through. My kinsmen frown when you are named, your life they would destroy. Beware, they say, of Renardine on the mountains of Pomeroy. shall fall, whate'er betide, on the arm that would be free. So leave your cruel kin and come when the lark is in the sky, and it's with my life I'll guard you on the mountains upon high. The dawn it broke, she's rose and fled from her cruel kin and kind, and full of love she's down the glen and up the mountainside. All the mist came down and the tempest roared, and all the land destroyed, and the pale drowned bride met Reddine on the mountains of Pomroid. And